everyone. Today I'm here to talk about the new cosmetic organizing line by iDesign at Bed Bath & Beyond. I am so excited about this because not only are they functional, but they look great, which you know those are my two top things. And the first item I'm going to talk about is the Cosmetic expandable organizer. And I have a very narrow top drawer, and this fits like a glove. And I love that it's expandable because you can store so many items in it and have room for bigger palettes or bigger things. Which brings me to my next favorite thing, their new drawer inserts. They're stackable, which is amazing, but these fit my drawer like a glove. And so I can keep bigger items like foundations and primers in here. And like I said, they do come in different sizes. These are amazing. And don't forget to head over to your Bed Bath & Beyond because these are exclusively at Bed Bath & Beyond, and use your coupon.